Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. This is our new selection of a native Dentaria. The Dentarias are called toothworts because of the white rhizome that looks like a bunch of teeth. And Dentaria is referring to teeth, just as in has the same root as, of course, dentist and such. This is our hybrid between Dentaria laciniata and Dentaria diphylla. We haven't named it yet, but we like the fact that it's such a good bloomer. The Dentarias are spring ephemerals. They're plants that come up in late winter and blooming in it's very late winter, early spring, and then they're going dormant again by late spring, early summer. They're woodland plants, and they put up with the dry, dark woodlands in the summer by going dormant and returning in the late winter when the trees are still off the leaves and they get plenty of sun and there's more moisture in the soil. They're really easy garden plants, which you can put around big herbaceous perennials that are dormant in the winter. They can sublet the same space, or you can put them under deciduous shrubs that hide the ground in the summer months but leave a big bare spot in the winter. They're also entirely edible. They're the same family as mustard greens and cauliflower and all those good brassicas. The old name of that family was the cruciferae, referring to crucifix, the four petals at right, each pair of petals at right angle to the other pair. And you might notice a bunch of white frost cloth out in the garden. It's supposed to go down to possibly the mid to low 20s tomorrow morning and perhaps the day after that. This is the only time of year that we protect certain plants from the elements. And we're all thankful that we're not required to curl up around a precious plant to keep it warm through the coldest hours of the morning. The things we protect are the Asian podophyllums, the commonly called May apples. They're fairly sensitive to a late frost, and they're in almost full growth already in the garden. Very few ferns. We don't worry about ferns that tend to put up new foliage all through the summer months, because if the foliage gets burnt off now, it's within a week's time it's already replacing it. But a few ferns that tend to put up just one flush of growth in the spring, like the holly ferns, the sertomiums, and one of the polystichums, the one called tassel fern, really beautiful fern, but it comes into growth really early. The ground orchids, the blatillas, tend to put up all their growth this time of year, and if we have a late frost, it gets singed and they look miserable the rest of the summer. What am I forgetting? Well, hostas, thankfully a lot of hostas are still dormant, but some come into growth much earlier, and we protect those. And the Solomon seals, the polygonatums, are sort of the same situation, where some are early risers and we protect them, and thankfully a lot of them are still dormant. So it's a huge effort protecting the most vulnerable plants, but it's something we do when we have to. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.